How to hide Amazon orders. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can archive your Amazon purchases. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up the desktop browser in order to log into your Amazon. But if you're on your mobile device, you can simply log into your Amazon account via your browser in your mobile device. Since the application does not have the features to archive your orders, we have to proceed towards the browser. So for that, open up Chrome in your device and then go to amazon.com. Once you're there, you might be asked to log into your account. So once you're logged in, you will have this page in your interface. Now, if you navigate at the top right corner, tap on the three dots icon. So from here, you have to tap on desktop site. So once you have this type of interface, what you have to do is head over to top right corner. There you will see your name that is with account and list. So tap on it. From this drop down, you have to tap on orders just below the account option. Now once you're under your orders page, here you will be able to find all your orders. And on next to that, you will see a small archive option. So simply tap on archive, and with that, the order that you have chosen will be hidden or archived from your Amazon purchases or your orders. So you can do this via Amazon website, not via the application. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.